Hey guys, how's everyone doing out there today? So it's a gorgeous day. It's December 13th, and it feels like summer out here, but it feels unbelievable today. I think the temps are like 50 degrees right now, and just wanted to come out here and show you guys the state of the lawn. It looks pretty good actually. It's still green. We had some snow the other day, but that's about it. Probably like 2 inches of snow, nothing big. But yeah, the lawn still looks great, and actually if you look in the back, I mean, it looks good. Let me show you a little bit on what I'm dealing with out there. And I think my neighbor's dog just came out, so if you hear it barking, check this out. This is pretty much what I'm dealing with here. I never had any moss on the lawn. This is the first. I have absolutely no clue on how to even tackle this. So this is kind of like all over the place, especially in the back over there. So let me show you. So this area here has, I think this is moss. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. That has to be moss. Stays super wet back here every time it rains. So I don't know. Gonna try just applying some of that moss out, which I kind of did about like 3 months ago. But that turned it black, and that's about it. It didn't really do much. Check that out. This is from that overseeding that I did. Actually, this is perennial ryegrass. And yeah, so doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. So, but flip it around. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm just gonna try to mow high. Don't really like doing that because my daughter's only 2 years old and she kind of sinks in into the grass. But I think that's what works most for beginners. That's pretty much the first thing that you should be doing is just starting out, mowing high, because it chokes out the weeds, and I have plenty of them. So I'm gonna just start doing that in the spring. That might be the quickest and cheapest solution to choking out the weeds instead of applying garbage on the lawn. But anyways, that's my update. And as I mentioned in my last video, I'm gonna do a little giveaway. So I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek on to what I'm gonna be giving away. So let me walk out to the front. If you've been following me on Instagram, I bought something and I actually really enjoy it. So let me show you a little sneak peek on what the giveaway is gonna be. That's the little sneak peek on what our giveaway is gonna be. So stick around, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram. I'll keep you updated there. I'll see you around. Take it easy.